SoundPEATS is one of those companies that offers impressive products at a respectful price. It delivered us some marvelous devices that include SoundPEATS Sonic, Mini Pro, D3, and many more at an affordable price range. Now today, we have SoundPEATS Air 3 on our hands, which are mainly semi-in-ear earbuds, and we're going to give an in-depth review on this device to let you know what we like the most. Let's look at what's in the box. It merely comes with the user manual, a Type-C charging cable, and the earbuds in a compact charging case. Starting with the design, the SoundPEATS Air 3 comes in a super compact charging case that can easily slide into the pocket. On the front of the charging case, you'll have a pairing or reset button along with an LED indicator to let you know about the remaining battery. Then underneath, you can find your USB Type-C charging port. And on the upper side of the charging case, you can clearly see the branding name. The same lightweight and compact design continues with the earbuds. Though the earbuds are made of plastic, the matte finish adds a premium vibe to them. As we mentioned earlier, these earbuds are semi-in-ear earbuds, so there are no silicone ear tips and you will feel much more comfortable when you wear them. And then, if you're an activity lover, the Air 3 has a solid IPX5 water-resistant rating to hold up just fine by resisting water splash or sweat. But remember, you cannot completely submerge these earbuds underwater. Now, let's talk about the most important part, the sound quality. The SoundPEATS Air 3 comes with a massive 14.2mm driver that enables a wide sound field and precise details to let you enjoy intense music. The bass of these buds is quite rumbling, but it does not distort the quality so you can feel every bit of what you're listening to. The sound level is pretty loud when you're at maximum volume, so many of you might prefer a 60 to 70% volume level if you don't want to disturb the others. Otherwise, the mids and the highs are balanced pretty well to give you clarity and presence without sounding extremely intense. Overall, these earbuds ensure some of the best sound quality that you can find in semi-in-ear earbuds. As for the call quality, these earbuds feature a total of 4 microphones and CVC noise cancelling technology, which is designed to capture your voice accurately and reduce ambient noise. The Air 3 does not completely remove background noises while using these earbuds for phone calls, but it's still perfect for getting your work done. It's worth mentioning that you can use a single earbud for the phone call, so you can keep another one in the charging box if you want. To make your user experience even more smooth and convenient, the Air 3 comes with Bluetooth 5.2 and true wireless mirroring technology, which ensures seamless connection and ultra-low power consumption. Having the APTX-adaptive codec, these earbuds are great for keeping your audio in sync with the content that you're streaming and gives you the best possible audio experience. Another feature you're getting with this device is in-ear detection, which means the music will automatically pause when you remove one of the earbuds from your ear. In this way, you can have a conversation pretty easily without pulling out your phone from your pocket. So, if you're done with the conversation and once you put the earbuds back in your ear, the music will automatically resume, which is a pretty convenient feature to have. For gamers, the Air 3 comes with Game Mode, which can cut down on the latency to 60 milliseconds, so you can play your favorite game without having any kind of sound delay. Besides, the touch sensor works perfectly and you can have full control over the player effortlessly. In terms of battery life, you can get up to 5 hours of playtime from a single charge, and it can be extended up to 17.5 hours with a compact and lightweight charging case. All in all, for a respectful price, the SoundPEATS Air 3 can be an excellent choice. It delivers solid sound quality and bass in a compact form factor. So, that was all about the SoundPEATS Air 3. Thanks for watching our video. Like and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.